Okay, I am registered. Okay. Now, and you can see it is showing my name, but it has taken us to home. But however, I want it to redirect us to dashboard when someone registers. Okay. So how do I do that? Or when the home page logs in. So I'm going to come to home. Okay. So remember, it is under the home controller. Then instead of view, I redirect to dashboard. That. So redirect. Redirect is our new word here. Let me do a control plus. Okay, I don't know if that is big enough for you. So redirect is our new word there. So if I come here and refresh, oh, it is still on home. So the home view. Okay, so let me see. Oh, sorry. I've put redirect on the wrong. Okay, so I'm going to undo. I just come here and redirect. So redirect. So I was supposed to put it under the index. So it is going to redirect to this. Okay. Redirect to dashboard. Okay. So if I come back and refresh, great, you can see it redirects to dashboard, and it is saying dashboard not found. So let me double check. It should be redirecting to dashboard. Okay. So let me refresh. Back. Okay. Great. So it is redirecting to, when I click on home, it is redirecting to dashboard. So it is redirecting to dashboard. Which dashboard is here when we go to our web view? For example, if I change this to blur, okay, then I come back to this welcome to affiliate, because it's the welcome page, and I click on it, it will say, it will complain that it actually cannot find dashboard. So which means if I come back here in the home controller and I change to, okay, where is the home controller? This is the register controller, and I change this to blur. And then I go back. And then click on home. You can see it has gone to blur. All right, so that's very important. Okay, so I'll go ahead and change this to dashboard. And then again go back to our route and change it back to dashboard. Great. So when I refresh again, it should be able to take us to, so blur is not found. If I click on home, okay, so if I click on home, it takes us to dashboard. Now